The British Science Festival is a celebration across 4 days that incorporates 100 free events from across the scientific spectrum, everything from space and AI through to medicine and dinosaurs.
The university is delighted to be partnering with the British Science Festival, and for us it enables us to open our doors to show the kind of research excellence that we've got here and to include the public, the general public, in some of the key debates about the future. I think there are two big benefits of the festival coming to us now. The first is it really helps to showcase this region for its excellence in innovation and for the way in which we bring knowledge and industry closely together, and that's vitally important. It creates jobs, it creates wealth, it creates the future. But the second thing is Coventry is going to be City of Culture in 2021. Everybody needs to know what a fantastic city Coventry is, and this is part of that showcasing of our great city.
So we've got a range of activities and cars on display here for visitors to look at. We've got the Land Rover 4x4 in Schools Technology Challenge and also Programme an autonomous vehicle to follow a track. So a real showcase of some of our best technology exhibits.
We've chosen to partner with the British Science Festival this year primarily to get the voice of Lubrizol out into the industry. Science is really exciting to us. We're passionate about science, and Lubrizol has a lot to offer in science around the world, but particularly raising the profile of our company in the UK.
I'm hoping people take away a much better understanding of the opportunities provided by science and technology, and perhaps to share in the fascination of some of the things that we can do with it. And close to home, I'd really like people to engage with us in how we can decarbonise the heat in the UK, which is going to be a key challenge for us over the next generation.
I'm really excited about the breadth of the programme this year, and it's so difficult to pick a highlight, but I'm really excited that we're starting the week with conversations around the youth climate strikes, talking about things around false memories and photography, and whatever your interest, at the British Science Festival there's definitely something for everyone.